Tired of email marketing feeling like shouting into the void? Let's transform chaos into connection by building a beautiful and effective newsletter in ConvertKit, step by step. First, log into your ConvertKit account. We're going to focus on building a solid subscriber base. So click on Grow in the main navigation. Then select Landing Pages and Forms. This is where new subscribers sign up for your newsletter. Now browse through the various templates offered, finding one that best matches your brand and desired aesthetic. Aim for something clean and easy to navigate so that the potential subscriber is not discouraged by too much information. Once you've chosen a template, click Choose. This will take you to the form editor. Here, you can customize everything. Change the headline, add an engaging description of what subscribers will get, customize the button text, and even embed an image or video. Don't forget to check the Settings tab. Configure your incentive email. This is the email your subscribers receive to confirm their subscription. You can also customize the success message they see after subscribing or redirect them to a thank you page on your website. Now click on the Automations menu. This is where we automate the process of sending our newsletter to new subscribers. Click the Create Automation button and then create a blank automation. The trigger will be Joins a form. Then you should select the form you just created. Now you'll be prompted to decide what action occurs after they join. Now add an email sequence to be sent to your new subscriber. It's time to design your newsletter. Use the drag and drop editor to add text, images, buttons, and personalize your message. Keep your content concise and engaging. Remember to write a subject line that grabs your subscribers' attention and use a call to action within the body so the reader knows what you want them to do. You're almost there. Once you're happy with your newsletter's content, preview it to ensure everything looks perfect. Then go to the settings and schedule your newsletter to be sent at the optimal time for your audience. Now you're all set. Now you know how to create a newsletter in ConvertKit, opening doors to better audience engagement and growing your business.